Hey guys, it's me Kevin from Kevin's World, and today is going to be a very special day because today we're doing another makeup video. I'm not going to say which makeup video yet, but I just want to say first, I'm so sorry that I haven't been posting in a long time. I've been busy with graduation, school, some field trips, but now it's summer. I have the whole summer to make some videos. Alright, and for the video we're doing today, we have a bunch of TikToks and a lot of videos. Today we're doing the Michael Jackson makeup tutorial to make sure we look exactly like him, okay? So first off, we need to get the foundation that looks exactly like him. So we have the foundation here that looks like this, and it has not been opened yet. So we know what we do. We open it, and we do a little satisfying video. A little ASMR time. Okay, and so first what you want to do, get your foundation thing and get in there and just start mixing it in there. Alright, I'll get back to you when I'm all finished. Okay, so we have the foundation already. We did the foundation that looks exactly like his skin tone. So the next part we're going to do is a contour around his face. So we need to get some brown and just start getting in there. And on the picture it shows some contour going down. You just kind of want to get in there, you know. And then you want to do the other side. Let me get some more in there. Get the brown. That's really uneven, but okay, doesn't matter. Then you're gonna get some brown going up from your chin, like that, and contour going up to there. And you want contour on the edge of your nose. Around your nose. And up your eyes. And then you want to start blending it in. So I'll get back to you when I'm done blending it in. I look exactly like Michael Jackson, but just quite not there yet. We just need one more step. Okay, so I lied. Actually, we need two more steps. But before we do that, don't blend it in, because I blended it in and it looked terrible. Casey, what happened?
He decided to blend it in, and then it looks like dry mud on his face. And then he started over multiple times, and then did this, and he almost looks like a bug.
No, I look like Michael Jackson.
Okay.
So the next part we need to do is black for under his nose, because he has a different nose that's kind of pointy. So what we need to do is get the black, which has not been opened yet. So we need to do another ASMR. Alright, and you're going to get your paintbrush. And then you want to get it under his nose to make it like a point. Like that. Like that, there we go. What?
Nothing.
And you want to if you want to, but I don't really need it because I already have eyes that look like I already has eye.
What?
What's that called again?
Eyeliner? Mascara.
Mascara. Looks like I already have that. So you can add that if you want to. Okay? And the last part is you want to get a nice brush. I'll use this one. And then it looks like he's wearing lipstick, but he has pink lips, so you want to get your pink out. And then you want to make lipstick under it, because like he has small lips. So what you want to do is kind of like just get in there. Don't go around your lip, just make it skinny. Okay, but you want to fill in all the top. Just like so. And we have almost finished the Michael Jackson look. But you gotta do one thing. Michael Jackson has that whoosh under his, like, his hair. So you want to get your hair gel, okay, and then get into it. You want to get some on your fingers.
Is this offensive to Michael Jackson?
No, why? Okay, so then you want to get a strand of hair. No, a strand. Like so. And get in there. Get it with hair gel. And then you just want to curl it. Alright. We have finished the Michael Jackson look.
Do you want like darker eyebrows?
Do we need to?
I mean, if you want. Michael Jackson has pretty dark eyebrows.
Okay, yeah. So let's just do that. Let me put my hands. Get in there with the black. And just want to fill in your eyebrows really dark. There you go. We have completed the Michael Jackson look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you followed along, had a great time, and you just look like Michael Jackson. And Casey says I don't look like Michael Jackson, but I do anyways. So I want you to put in the comments 1 out of 10 of how much I look like Michael Jackson. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I haven't posted in a long time. And yeah. Thank you. Wait, did I have a catchphrase at the end?
Savage cabbage.
No, just... Okay, yeah, let's do Savage Cabbage. Okay, the Savage Cabbage goes out to... I don't remember who commented. Let me get my phone. Okay, so the shout out for the Ariana Grande concert / thank you roll next to her vlog is... Drumroll please. Ice Horse, Sammy Martinez, Casey Gates, and Megan Hinesley. Thank you guys so much for watching my last videos, and thank you for subscribing, liking, and I want you guys to do the same thing. Please like and subscribe, make a comment, and then thank you guys so much for watching. Bye now.